Hi guys, welcome back to Learn with Chandla, and today's interesting topic is the state bird of Jammu and Kashmir, the black-necked crane. And we can enter to our video and the 5 interesting facts about black-necked crane. Size of adult black-necked crane is between 130 to 140 centimeter. The weight of adult is between 5.0 to 6.0 kg. They have a wingspan of 170 to 200 centimeter. Black-necked crane is an omnivorous bird. They feed on roots, sages, tubers, grains, earthworms, grasshoppers, insects, snails, shrimps, fish, frogs, lizards, and small rodents. The average lifespan of black-necked cranes is between 20 to 30 years. Scientific classification: Kingdom Animalia, Phylum Chordata, Class Apes, Order Griformis, Family Graduate, Genus Grus. It is found more in Asia. And thanks for watching guys, and this is a small video of the interesting fact of the black-necked crane. And don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, like, share and comment it. I see you in the next video guys. Bye.